Thank you for purchasing the Moonsmc Fxlrst headlight bracket. So today we're going to be doing the install. So first thing is you're going to want to remove your stock headlight. We have already done this to save some time in this video. It's pretty straightforward. There's a plastic outer ring. Once you take that off, then you basically have 3 bolts that hold the stock headlight to the fairing, and then you have your plug, and that's really it. So our kit comes with 2 main pieces. We have an inner ring and we have an outer ring which holds the headlight in place. So with the inner ring, what you're going to want to do is we're gonna be drilling 3 holes which hold this inner ring on. So the easy way to line it up is we have 3 of the smaller holes. The 2 top ones can be lined up exactly where the stock holes are from for the stock headlight. So you have your 2 up top and your 2 small ones and 2 top ones. So you have your 2 small ones there and your 2 large ones. And now you can see we've already drilled our holes. So just basically take a marker. You're going to want to, mark your holes, and then, go ahead and drill those into place. We used a 7/32 drill bit, and that seems to work good with the hardware. So once you have those holes drilled, then we're going to go ahead and install the inner ring. So again, you're going to want to line these 2 small holes up with the stock one. And another really easy way to make sure you have everything aligned is you're going to see here you have this smaller hole here at the bottom, and you're just going to want to line it right there in the center of that little kind of groove there. So let's go ahead and get one in there, get that started. Now we're going to go ahead and speed up the video. And so you're going to have 3 washers that are going to go on the back side to give it a nice secure fit. Go ahead and drive those in. They're almost self-tapping into the fairing there. So go ahead and take your washer, stick it on the back side. Got our first one there. Okay. Kind of get them all started, and then we'll go ahead and button them up once we get them all on there. Make it a little bit easier. Okay, one more. So again, you got your washer here, you got your nut there. Okay, got your wrench. So now go ahead and tighten them up. Don't over tighten them because you don't want to crack your fairing. So just kind of snug them up. Okay. Okay, now that we have our inner ring installed, we're going to go ahead and install our M8 adapter plug here. Okay, so just go ahead and you got the top clip here. So go ahead and plug that guy in. Snaps on there. And what we're going to do now is we're going to install our Fly V2. So you can see here. Okay, let's just go ahead and plug that in. And now what we're going to do is we're going to install the outer ring. Okay, just go ahead and don't worry about getting it lined up perfectly just yet. We're going to do that once we have all three of the bolts in. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just finishing up putting this outer ring on, and then we're going to go ahead and make sure our headlight is straight. Okay, so just snug them up. Obviously the bike is on the kickstand, so it looks like the headlight's crooked, but it's not. So what you're going to want to do is you got these two kind of cutouts here. You just kind of line it up with that, so you know you have the headlight nice and straight. That looks good. Just go ahead and tighten it up. Don't over tighten them, just snug them up. They're not going to back out. Okay, there we go, it's in. Now, last step is taking your awesome stock plastic ring, and if you still have it, I know a lot of them have fallen off. But anyway, you're going to get that lined up and just turn it. Give it a nice turn, make sure all three clips are in. You can kind of test it by pulling it. But it's actually going to go over the metal ring here that's holding the headlight in. And that's it. That's the install. Go ahead and test it out. There you go. Got your low beam. You got your high beam. And that's it. Install is complete. If you have any questions, you can send us an email at info@moonsmc.com or leave a comment on this video. Thank you.